This 2025 Venture RV Stratus SR200VRB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Lakeland, FL 33809 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Lakeland. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features outdoor kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.